tells me I have to rinse this out and whatnot. Pour it in, yeah. Ah, damn. Pour the little packet in it. Okay. Yeah, get nice and shaken. All right. Let's lean back. Put it in. Keep my mouth open. Breathe normal. Oh God. That. Oh. That is not. Oh boy. Oh, that does not feel. Oh man. Oh, shit. Stuff's still coming out of it. Okay. Oh, that's. Need a tear to my eye. Oh God. So much shit. Oh. Still. Oh, still coming out. Oh boy. That's what I forgot. Napkin. Oh man. I can. I can talk somewhat a little better. Okay. Now for this side. Oh dear God. Oh man. This sensation is not very good. Okay, here we go. Come on. Oh God. Oh. Doesn't look retarded here. Oh. Swallowed some. Definitely gotta keep your mouth open. Oh man. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Oh. 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 Oh, I can finally breathe. So, that's a good thing. Oh, that sensation feels very, very weird. Oh, dear God. Oh. Feels... Oh. Have you ever been in a chlorine pool? And you got some of that chlorine water in your nose. Oh, it feels like that. Oh. Oh. So, doctor said they gotta do this 4 times a day. At least till Wednesday. So that's about 4 or 5 days. Oh, dear God. Oh, I can say I can breathe somewhat better. But that is a weird experience. Oh, as you did see that all that gunk came out of my nose. Oh, but yeah. Oh, I'm still feeling lightheaded though.